Hi, I'm going to show you how to remove the hard drive from a Sharp AR-M355N. In order to achieve that, we have to remove this paper handle assembly. And what's involved is 3 screws in the front, 1 hole in the bracket here, latch actually, that comes out. And pull the drawer with 2 screws, 1 here and 1 here. Gotta take those out. Around. You have to disconnect this interface cable from here. Just press and pull. There are 3 screws holding the second cable. 1, 2, 3. Press and pull off. There are 2 screws, 1, 2 holding the communications interface. I've already taken off one. Take the second one off. Pull slightly forward and lift up. There's also a cable running from the assembly, the feeder assembly, onto the interface board. So you have to remove this panel. It takes 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already removed 3 of them. I'll take the last one out. There's also 2 screws with L brackets. I took one of them out. These are the L brackets. 1 and the second one here. Remove the brackets. Remove the bottom panel. This is a cable holding the feeder assembly. It's just a press and clip right here. Remove that. Rotate the machine, then just lift and pull back. Just place the assembly aside. The hard drive is actually behind this panel here, and to take that off requires the removal of these 2 screws. 1, 2, and then remove this panel. And an easy way to do that is to get a, you should actually take this off to get rid of this panel, but a shortcut is just to rise up, panel comes out. Now the hard drive is actually behind this metal plate. Some of the machines have it, some don't. To get to the metal plate, it's just 2 screws to get to the hard drive. 1, 2. Alright, I already moved the hard drive from here, but there's another screw holding the hard drive bracket here. Remove that. Get onto the retaining clip, remove the cables, and the hard drive should slide straight out. Again, the hard drive has already been removed. You can stop.